I'm just moving. That's how I trade. I'm moving my screen around in front of me over here. Nice, right? With the trading. Let me show you how everybody made my biggest unrealized gain of 2018. Let me show you how that happened today, folks. Welcome to the MOJO Day Trading Show. TGIF, July 6th, 1 p.m. Show you what we got. We'll do a little crypto, do a little mining, show you a little trading. I can show you all that. A little Bitcoin action. Love that. So check it out, the MOJO Day Trade Room, guys. You know, we just ended right here. This is a Trader Jungle. New to the room. Anybody could follow my picks. I did 2 of them today. And it's funny, and I wish I had the video. You know, we were listening to my competition this morning, had no stocks to trade. I'm like, I'm not going to speak about one stock. Let's see what the competitions do on YouTube. And they were like, blah, blah. They didn't have one thing to give out because I wasn't up at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. throwing out picks as I normally do for everyone in the whole industry. So I kept them to myself, and we nailed XBIO. So let me show you. This guy, Trader Jungle, made $517 trading via XBIO with the MOJ. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty good amount of money right there. Let's see what else I got. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll show you all about MOJO University too. You know, that's not supposed to be happening. My screen's like bogging down, not on this computer. I gotta go check the memory and the RAM, make sure I don't got nothing running in the background. So let me show you how we traded today. I was down quite a bit of money, but I was able to resiliently make that back, thank gosh. Still took a loss, keep in mind, but I was down a bunch, and I knew when to. It's like a life preserver. You're drowning overboard, and as you swim to the boat, it gets further away. You know what I mean? You have to, when they throw you the life preserver, grab it. Now, let's say you own it at $58.49, and it goes to $48.49 and comes all the way back to $58.10. And we start selling, that's your life preserver. If you don't sell it there, it's going right back down. If you don't jump in right there. So ANW on the 15-minute went from 70 cents right here to a $2 move yesterday. Came right back up at that $1.90 right there. So that's what we got right there. Durham moving to 10 sometime soon. That was yesterday at 326. So we ended the day. And we came in this morning. I did a show last night on mining. It was muted for some time though, but no one really told me. Let's see who's on YouTube. Anybody chatting on YouTube? I don't see it. It's blank. So we'll make this a quick show. Here we go. ANW, Marabuzu close right here. 233 up 14.8% for your information. TVIX trade right there. TVIX 100 shares. Right here I had 500 at 49.52, 500 at 49.76, 500 at 49.68, sold 1,000 at 96. Sold 300 more at 14, another 100 at 6, another 100 at 6. That was at 8:35 in the morning to 9:02. Great trade for $534. Then it did this dump. This is the dump that it did, and this is the move up that it made after. Hi, Ramey. Nice to see you. Another good day on the reservation. Jim's doing great. He says Killer Mike. That means Killer Jim. You're doing great. A&W right here through 2. Take it up through there. Good morning, everybody. Friday. Yup. So DCIX went higher. As my competition was talking about tops not liking the shippers. At 9.24, I wasn't giving out anything. Then there was a 68-cent stock. It was RGSC, trading millions of shares. It could be like ANW yesterday. But why don't you trade a stock that's 68 cents? I teach it in MOJO University. So let's go over, and I have this course. Everyone's signing up for the day trading school. Check it out. Go to my Twitter or go to MOJO Day Trading homepage, guys. And if you scroll right here, this is the tweet. MOJO Day Trading School is regularly $9.98, but you could take it this week only for free. I revised, and I don't have stocks 101 to 105 revised. I kept only less than 1 up. And you can click right here at MOJO Day Trading and come to my website. I like my new banner. See my new banner? Check it out. Check out my new banner. Thumbs up, and he smashes that computer. I like that. What's up, Mike? Thanks for coming to the YouTube. So if you click right here, you'll be taken to the course and the profit system. You just click download course, and they couldn't find the page. Nice. I've had a bunch of signups. Let me fix that right now. So right here we continued TVIX. I'll show you where I was down. Up 500. I had 1,500 shares, up $13. Then I started to go down, added more. Time to bump it. I went to 5,000 shares. Patience got us out of that trade, thank gosh. And then I got stuck again. He made $240 on it right there. What's this? See here. Here's the life preserver. See, I was talking about it. You got to know when to take the loss and cut it. So many lessons Mark did it. So many lessons from MOJO University play out daily. The life preserver saved my day. So not just profiting, but how not to lose big is also a very good skill that you learn in MOJO University. Let me just fix this link. MOJO Day Trading School. Right here. Okay, that should work now. Let's see. So scroll down, hit the scroller, hit download course. There you go. So I only made Stocks 101 because I'm going to work on it this weekend, and like I did on these. And I made these free preview. So what is day trading? You can see right here. I teach off these learning boards right here. Why 9 out of 10 day traders fail. Trading responsibility. 3 steps to day trading stocks. Trading step 1, you need a trading account. Step 2, watch instructional videos. Step 3, paper trade and coaching. Step 4 is learning level 2. Step 5 is typical trading day. It's behind my camera. Choosing your outcome goal, 95% accuracy in the quiz. All free. Go ahead, and I want to say that quiz the quiz is tested. You get graded. So I just want to make sure that the grading is set on the quiz. I just want to make sure so I can get your answers. Admin. Day trading school. Quiz. Yep, this quiz will be graded. Beautiful. So I'm grading the quiz. And if you come here to download course on my website, you can see all courses. MOJO Day Trading School. I'm going to preview this as a logged out user. Let's see. This is the I have MOJO Day Trading. Let me get rid of that YouTube thing. I got MOJO Day Trading School online trading course where there's 3 live MOJO Day Tradings that I've taught. This last one in June that I'm updating this weekend. The live class in February and the October class. And you can preview class number 1, 1 hour. Look, preview free. Go ahead, watch an hour's worth of MOJO University and see if you dig it and you want to continue to the rest of the levels. I've taught over the last 6 years. It's $1,497. It's a great deal for the online. The live is $19.97, going to be taught now by Pro Trader Allen, developing, who's been with me right here. You want to see who Pro Trader Allen is? Go to my home page, scroll down a little bit. This is the roadmap that you take. Step 1 is the beginning day trading school for free. Download that sucker and get ready. MOJO Day Trading room right here. Join that. Start paper trading on the simulator right there. Step 4, preview the course on the MOJO U right there, and then make money every day for real. The #1 educational course, period, in the world today. There's more information about the course and see all the courses right there. And if you don't listen to me, listen to Pro Trader Ant from Norway, lifetime member. Check out Pro Trader Allen. Listen to Gerardo. You guys have all been with me extending over 3-year time periods now. And more reviews right here. That's not more reviews. That thing should click down to the bots. Another mistake on the website. So that right there should click to this. I don't have the Alexa going because that could do it for me. So let's see right here and click refresh. So let's click refresh, scroll down again. And let's click on it again and see if it works. See all the courses, wasn't it? It was more reviews. So we click on more reviews and it takes you here. It should take you down to there. That's called an anchor. On an HTML5 website, you create an anchor and you put the anchor on the page where you want, and then you link it to the anchor. Watch. So I changed the anchor to, instead of right here where it was, it's lower now. So if I click more reviews, it'll go low and it'll put it right there, right to the anchor. I put the anchor right at the top of that banner. And here's Alan's. Colin's been with me since 2014, folks. July 21st, which is now July 6th, will be his 4-year anniversary with me. Colin. You're like, Mike, but Colin doesn't have isn't a real person. He's an avatar. Nice. That's what people say to me. That's nice. That's nice of you. That's nice. You want to see who Colin is? Let me go into my iPhone when I went to New York, and I'll show you who Colin is. Colin. So this is when I first met him. I want you to look how young he looks. What's up, Colin Bob? That's Colin, guys, right there. See? When I first met him. Okay? Then he got a little older. He turned 25. So he took his family to Disneyland on MOJO. Hey, MOJO, got me here. Thanks, Mike. He took his entire family on vacation to the Grand Floridian. And that car right there at the Grand Floridian is the same car that Gerardo posted a week ago at the Grand Floridian right here when he was on vacation. There it is. Gerardo, right here. Digs for the next few days at the Grand Floridian, taking his family to the Grand Floridian. Right there. He should have stood in front and said, thanks, Mike. MOJO got me here. But he's done a lot as well. Okay? And right there, that's it. And then when I went to New York, right here, this is when I went to New York, and me and Colin got together in New York, and we met at one of my trade shows that I was at in New York. Right there, that's Colin Senta. Real person. Been with me since 2014. My man. He owns a restaurant in New York now, and he named it the MOJO Roll. Okay? After the Moj. It's amazing stuff. Thank you so much. There's my backyard. Paradise. It's my back office. You got a back office like that, folks? That's my boy. Mr. Remington will be teaching the Hines privately in mentoring sessions in July signups. That's Mr. Remington Stewart. Absolutely, Mr. Remington. He'll show you exactly how it's done. Okay? Exactly how it's done. Let me see what I got here. I got another one. So let me show you right here how I was down $4,000 and it came back to break even because I didn't dump it and take the loss. Check it out. So right here, I'm in XBIO. Did you room pick XBIO this morning? I said it was going to 7 right here. XBIO, 406 by 450, 1,400 shares at 9:30. So there is no person in the whole world that knows about this stock right now. Let's go on Twitter. And just to show you right here, XBIO. You'll see it later. Everyone will trade it because I put it out already. But look, XBIO, Matt is again, of course, X3, XBIO. Let's go into the latest. Profit, the guy took my course right there. And I have his website, profittraderoom.net. Goes to my website. Thank you. Let me just make sure. Profittraderoom.net. Goes to click it, it'll go right to my website, MOJODayTrading.com, because he stole my materials, took my course, and set up the same thing, which hundreds of people have done. I've got no problem with that, but as a repercussion, the websites usually become mine. Right here, XBIO 22 minutes ago, long time ago. Breaking news 44 minutes ago. What time is it? How about 5 hours ago? Let's see. What room do you want to be in? The people that get it after or the people that get it first? Let's see. 2 hours ago was 11 o'clock. Small wins because you got in late. Here you go. MOJO, Supertrade, right here. So I executed 500 shares at 5:07. At 9:58 a.m. right there. And then I bought another 500 at 12. Tap, tap. Then I went, added again 1,000 at 12. Then it dumped. So I doubled her up, another quick 2-tapper. Okay, now I'm in right there for 4,000. 16,000 to go. So I got, whichever way it goes from here, I'm adding. It goes higher, I add. It goes lower, I add. It makes no difference. I've never met a trader that could buy a stock and knows which direction it's going to go right off the bat. It's impossible. So I buy 500 and I tap it. I tap it again, it goes higher. Tap it again, it goes higher. It's staying in this zone where I first bought it. I give it a little double tap. And then she rockets to 519. So I buy 4,000, double her up again. So I go 500, 500, creates a position of 1,000. I press P, that puts the position right in there, and go to 2,000. Press P, double it, go to 4,000. That's how I do that. And now it's at 519. I got 4,000. And then it dumps down again to stopping station, 507. So I see if it lends some support there. And if it doesn't, it's going to go down into the 80s where it did. And it went down to 488, and I clobbered with a right jab, boom, 10,000 down there for an average of 488. And my average was 15,000 at 499. Expecting, with positive expectancy, this thing to seriously Heinz. And within 7 minutes, from 10:01 to 10:08, it went 514. Sold off 1,000. 17, 18, 25, 30, 34, 35, 28. Started to come down again, 22. So I sold off, just clipping 1,000 as it's going up over the 2 minutes that it's flying, millions of shares. And then it goes 33, 56, 91. I sold 1,000. Got 4,000 left. Then it reverses 90. And then it goes 3,000 left. It dumps to 74. I'm out. That's where my average sell was. I predicted it right here at 927 to go from 4 to 7. Could possibly do 9, like GVO, ASTC, all these other ones that I've nailed. Learn how to do this for yourself. This is what I teach. Unrealized profit of $5,118.75 on 15K at $4.99. My biggest unrealized profit of 2018. Here's all my timestamps, all the trades. I wasn't the only one that did that. Look, all these guys did it in the room. And right here, I was down TVIX 265. So I made that money, and then I went negative. Like right now, see this guy, Tom? You know, I don't like to be rude, but he like puts different plays in the room. He made 240, woo, and then he went to Able, and he puts in all these other stocks that we don't trade. No one's really following him. We're going to do his pick. And what if someone did follow his pick and they lost? How would he feel? So why even put out picks? He's like the only person left that hasn't taken MOJO University. Look, I've got like 6 traders down here. This guy right here, I'm going to bust them. Watch, because these guys, if they don't take it, he's paid on 6.5. So he's paid because I don't know who they are. So let's ask him if he's going to take MOJO University. Message. Become pro trader. Step up your trading game. How about that message? Let's see what he's got to say. Jungle, you made up enough money. How about you becoming pro trader, Jungle, now? How about that? Look at all my pro traders. You want to see how many pro traders are offline right now? Like 100. So there's 144 around 150 that are cruising in and out all the time that have been with me for years. Eric Crypto, take him. I already asked him. That's what I asked him at 11:46 this morning. He's brought me back. Tink, Tom. Here's Tom. There's Tom. You know, he'd be like his game would be better. He wouldn't be missing the trades. And William, I'm holding an upcoming class. He never even talked to me. So this guy, if I don't get, I think we'll let him come back in. I'm going to kick him out. And we'll see. When I kick you out is usually when I get a message from you. I can't get back in. That sort of thing. So 51, this thing dumps, man. And I'm freaking down. I'll show you right here. Use the fast scrolling. I'll stop it when I get there. I know where it is. So right here, down 290. Shit takes a dump. Look at the chart. It's ugly. Took the dump. We made the first one, so we thought we were royal. Dumped again. We did it again. Now it dumps, but shit fails. Look at that. We get out, and then it dumps so hard. Watch. XBIO, $5,118. I've realized only $1,000. That's my largest unrealized gain of 2018. And I've got the whole room in that pick right now. Were you in that pick at 10 a.m.? Let's see. Go back to 10 a.m. Matt is right along with me, boy. There he is, following my shit. He's right in my room. There I am, see? 95.45. This freaking guy. All right, I'm walking. Yeah, you better take my shit. This guy made 11 G's on A&W, the 4th of July special. Loops, bought at $5.65, sold at $5.99. I bought it $4.50. $1.15 cheaper than that guy. There I am. Look, 5,347, my biggest win because he's following my picks. No one would have this pick but me, folks. I told you. It only traded 1,000 shares. Where the hell are you going to pick it up from? There's no scanner on the planet that has it. Look, profit, boom. Thanks, Mojo, dude. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm freaking supporting the damn industry. Look at that. They all made it because of the me. It didn't come from nowhere else but me. Great stock picks who used to jock me is now in my room following me. Jim bought 1,200 shares of XBIO at 520. Order number 4695. Sold it 1,200 at 621. Real deal. That's my man Jim. I have so many people in the room that did that, folks. Otherwise, you freaking look. The blast off was from the MOJO. XBIO, XBIO, XBIO. Bottom bouncer, XBIO. There you go, dudes. See? Sales calls. So that's the XBIO pick. With 1,000 shares this morning. And that's my largest unrealized gain at 10:08 a.m. So now I'm up money. 872 realized, unrealized 6,849 in unrealized profits. It's just, my hands, like they're now just we're sweating so bad. Every trader has to have one of these on their desk. I keep my golf towel. You got to dry your hands. Keep your hand. And my mouse was soaking wet. I looked, my mouse had like wet spots on it. Okay? So I'm booking some profits, leaving some open. TVIX down $2,603. Unrealized, I've made back 1,000. So I was down $4,000 on TVIX. XBIO, Brandon made $130 on 100 shares, who's now pro trader Brandon. Great job, Brandon. You're like a little ATM machine now. Okay? When I said 470, he bought it right at 470 when I said it. Did you buy it? They bought it at 565, folks. We sold it into you where you bought it. It's a shame that you didn't get it. It's not a shame. I'm happy you didn't get stuck and it went even higher and it didn't reverse and you got crushed. Okay, and then you were shorting into me. So I'm down right here, 1,700 and 1,200, and Trader Joe finally comes back to me. See, after they get kicked out, they finally answer, and I've sent them 10 messages. It's kind of rude. So then I'm down TV. It's coming back. I've made $1,500. XBIO, I'm done. Made 9,545. Out of XBIO. In DC down 100, and TV came back a little bit. Got 5,000 shares. I had a little bit more. I think I had 10, which was the max. That's the max. 48.39. Stuff caught it coming back right there. So now TV, I've only got sold half, 5,000. And I'm telling everyone exactly how to buy and what to hold left. And I took a loss, $1,363. Done. Realized for the day, $7,762. Copy that. Put it into the profit album right here. Paste. Boom. 76.72. Day before, 65. That's 13. Day before, 66. That's 20. Day before, 8. That's 28. Day before, 11. Okay? That's almost 40, 47, 50,000 in a week of trading. Times that by a month, that's a sick-ass month. And then right here was pretty much the end of it. DEST just behind 6, signal on XBIO, DERM 975, I called it to 10, yep, yesterday I did, DERM like a magnet to 10. Schrax, I called over 5. Schrax is moving. It's probably going to be the next one to go. Derm hit 984. It's moving towards 10 like a magnet. What else did we trade? XBIO. Here's the move on XBIO this morning. So the first bar that I saw right here on XBIO was right here. Traded 134,000. The next bar, oh, I'm sorry, it was right here. This is the daily. This is the first bar this morning, right here. At 440, traded 19,000. The first one that I saw was this one. Traded 100 shares. Didn't come up on no one's scanner. This one right there traded 487, and then this one right here traded 30, and that's where I picked it up. Right here, as soon as I started trading 14,000 into that bar, right there at 440, we bought it right there at 470, going into 5. I added right here on this dip right there down at stopping station, and that thing rocketed it up right there to 520. I sold once, I sold again, I sold again, and that was the end of it. I didn't catch the top of that bar, but I got pretty damn high at like 591. Went up to 609. Then it came back down, did the 1-2 tap off stopping station, 51, and then it went right back up to 90, and we did it again and again, and it came down to stopping station 27, bought it there, went back up to 631, and made $1 again on it. That's how people trade in the Mojo Day Trade Room. And I'll also notice something else, which I'm teaching in the in Moj, which came true today, is the Hulk Green Giant combination, which is the Hulk GG right here. And notice at 12:15 what happened. Okay, so this is the Hulk GG combo, 12:15. Boom, look at that. See, Hulk GG combo, 12:15. So I take that, I put it into Mojo University right here. Here's one of my last trades on Derm in Mojo U. Bought 100 at 929, 100 at 30, 100 at 11, 100 at 10, 100 at 8, 108, 100 at 10, 500 at 9, 500 at 7, 500 at 7. Sold 2,000 at 905, 906, 911, 915, 913, 918, 920. And I bought the first one at 29, and I made money on that trade. That's how you do it. Sick. The things that I could teach. Let's see what Joe's got to say. I plan on it in the future. It might be hard for me since I take a work schedule. Great. I believe your subscription ended. And I paid you yesterday. It was 7.5. So he's in. Okay. What about the online? Three separate Mojo U's. There's like 36 hours of me on video. Teaching it 3 times. The same. Over 1 year. It's like watching a Broadway show 3 different times, but you know it's the same act. The movie gets better and better every time. So let's see what he's got to say about that. Okay. And that's it. I put stuff in the Mojo U. No one's got access to Mojo U, but look, Pro Trader Ant. Look who's down there, guys. See? My man from Norway, Pro Trader Ant. My man. Are you around? He's a lifetime member. That's in Mojo U. Stock trading. Let's see how many people I have down here. 28 online right there. A lot of other people, I have no idea who they are. King of Fret, I know who he is. He runs Nadex. I'm going to be talking about with them. I have a interview with them. Trading pennies. So we'll some of these guys is 912 that pop in. Let's see if Colin's down here. Investor chat room. Nice. Offline though. Here we go. Look at all these pro traders. Pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader. Here's Colin right here. Pro trader Colin. Dano. Delcan. Denny. Dobie. Dobie's a lifetime member. He's a master student. Dobie is. Let me message him. I haven't spoken to him in a while. He needs to ching in. He's made millions of bucks with the Heinz. Clifton, Dontavius. Where you been, Dontavius? Famucci, Dopey, Junior. Junior, been with me for 5. Where you are, Junior? Royce, Tiger. Look how many I have. So many. All right. Anyway. Stocks did good. So today I totally lost 1,300 on TVIX, but I made it all 6-1 on that. S-Spot's making a V-band spike right now on the 5-minute. I'm the only guy that caught this. Look, there's no trade idea scanner. There's no other scanner in the world that would pick this up until it got over $2. See it? S-Spot. Huge, huge, huge winner. S-Spot, guys. Look at this one. This could be a huge score. See that? S-Spot. Huge on that S-Spot. See, now everyone will come in. I'll put it on my thing on Twitter. I'm the first one to do it. Let's post it up there. Unless someone's watching my show and they're like racing me to beat it, but I doubt it. Don't type nothing. Let me take a new picture. There we go. SBOT. S-Spot. V-band break. Before any trade ideas, stupid scanner. I got the MOJO scanner. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Posted 190, 95, 97 plus. Beautiful. See? That's what I'm talking about. Let's look at some of my messages and stuff on Twitter. Got a lot of messages going. For a 7-card rig, do you know an average a month of bricks? See what this guy likes what I'm doing. Look, Vegas Crypto Life. See? Says, Mike, I want to pick your brain about the mining rigs you have. You saw in your live stream it pulls about $500 a month. I was wondering if that's per card, per rig, and if it costs $1,400, that's per card, addition, blah, 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 blah. I'm very intrigued. Mining ass, blah, 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 blah. Dude, too many freaking questions. Let me give you a generic answer. My rig's a 7-card 1070 Ti running from a high of $900 per month to a low of $300 per month over the last 12 months. So it's hard to give you exact numbers, as when Bitcoin goes back to 19,000, the rigs will pull towards the high again. Cost me $5,000 to $6,000 to build one right now. Done. There's my answer. For a 7-card rig, do you know the average it brings in month before? I just answered that for you. I do believe you're great, and then I already answered that. I can answer it again, no problem. Right here. It's my rig I build in $300 a month over the last 12 months. Here's the answer. I mean, you can't get more of an exact answer. If you're into mining for a day or two, don't buy a mining rig. If you're into mining for a month, don't buy a mining rig. Don't talk to me. If you're into it for 5 or 10 years, you can come talk with me. Oh, Julia wants to say hi to me. And Mary wants to say how you doing. Hello, Mojo. Is it possible to be featured on your Twitter? Can we suggest a 1-month free trading on our platform? You'll be able to trade crypto, fiat, and vice versa. Ooh. Let's check it out. They are called Q Volta. Okay. Exchange platform that you buy or sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Let's check it out. Thanks, Alex. Easy way to deal with crypto assets. So we can register for Volta, their roadmap, release of the app, the mobile, and Google Pay. That ain't gonna fucking work. Dude, come talk to me after you freaking get your crypto on Google. That ain't happening, dude. You can't even have an extension on Google anymore that has crypto in it. So, what do you got to say about that, Victor? What are you saying about that, Victor? They're all shutting you down, buddy. With the Bitcoin. Shutting you down. So let's go back and we'll answer his message and we'll be like, well, what about... See, this guy too, he wants to get in. He's a Forex trader. Here it is. What about Google not allowing anything crypto on their extensions or in play? How are you getting around that? Because it's on the roadmap. Do now. How are you going to do that? Let's see if someone else. Details. Alright, that's about all my messages. I get a bunch of messages, notifications. SBOT should be trading well over 10 buyout target rumors with PFV after 2 minutes ago after I just tweeted that about SBOT. So let's see about SBOT. So who follows the MOJ? Latest is MOJ, and then two after me. So replying to me and with trade ideas and e-signal. So let's see, SBOT right there. This was 5 hours ago. He gave it, I was just on his watch list. So yeah, pre-market live stream with my SBOT. Right there. Oh, let's see. Let me take a look at that. XBIO is a 575 by 79. Well, let's take a look at the daily. Sure, because it's going to close Marabuzu. Close Marabuzu. Go test 10. See that? 4.7 million shares right there. If that thing closes just like that, that's within 10% of the high. That's a Marabuzu close. This shit will go up and test the top of this bar at 721, which is the top of that bar at 736. It gets through that and sky's the limit. This was like one trade up here that went to 895. Absolutely. And if you're going to buy this, don't buy it all at once. Okay? Buy a little bit now. You can tip the dealer. Instead of buying like, let's say you want to buy 1,000 shares. Okay? Instead of doing it one time for $5, do it 3 times. Because if it's going to go up $1 and you make $1,000, how much would you tip the dealer at the blackjack table if he handed you $1,000 or you won a pot for $1,000? How much would you tip the dealer? 25 bucks, $10, $20. At the minimum, you won 1,000. He gave you pocket aces, and then he gave you pocket aces again. You hit quad aces. You're like, dude, you made me 1,000 bucks. Here you go. Boom. 50 bucks, 100 bucks. Like it was nothing. Screw 25. And now you wouldn't scale in 3 times and pay Ameritrade $5, $5, and $5 and $5 to get 4 very nice from lower to higher position in XBIO for the possible move higher. I'd buy my last piece at $359.58, wherever it's at. That's it. Then if it opens up on Monday and it goes higher, I'll add more. I'll sell right in the beginning, half. It'll dip down. I'll rebuy that back. Go back up, sell half again, reback down a little bit, go test the new high, and I'll have the whole position back up through the new high. That's how you should trade that. I wish it was closing right now. It's 154. You got 2 hours to go. It's a long time. So there was a question in the room this morning that no one answered that I'm going to answer. Which is, there was a question. I get so many freaking calls. Let's see. My question was in the beginning of the day, 12:03. One of my traders asked me this question that no one answered, and I'm going to give the education and answer it and see if you guys know what it is. See how smart you guys are. 9:23. Here it is. At 6:07 a.m., On BRKB, 193,120 share trade went off on the level 2. Green. What does that mean? Anybody know? BRKB. I think that's the symbol. BRKB. BRBK maybe? BRK. BRB some. BKBR. One of those signals, he asked me. So it doesn't matter what the symbol is. It matters what the answer is. Why would such a large block go off that early in the morning? What's the answer? The answer is, it's called a control block. It's for the market maker to take control. He knows that many shares will be enough buying power to control the bid and the ask on that particular stock throughout the entire day. And you'll see the last print of the day or right after trading in after hours of 193,120 shares, the same exact dollar, the same exact share amount at the end of the day. It's called a control block. Wouldn't you do the same? That's how they control inventory. So let's say the guy started out right here. It was 190,000. Okay? And that's the control block right there with the star. And then the stock trades and it goes up a little bit. And he knows where it's going to go. It's going to go right here at the end of the day because he has an order to buy. So he knows to control it, it's 190,000. So it starts to go up and he sells. He puts an order in to sell right here and he sells 50,000. And he knocks it all the way back down and he rebuys 75,000. So now he's back up to what he has, but now he's got 25,000 more extra down here. So he's really only has 25,000 shares because he's going to go flat on this 190 at the end of the day. So then what it does is it comes down a little bit and goes all the way back up again. So he sells another right here, 50,000. Comes down, he gets another 75, which is only a 25,000 he really has, and he makes money on that again as it goes up. And he's just controlling it back and forth with the volume, with that control block. And then at the end of the day, he'll sell that exact number of shares and go flat on that, and whatever he made during the day in that particular circle is how the traders make money manipulating you all day long, because you should stop at 10:30 like when we did, but when you trade all day long, they take your money. I do believe in you and your system. Will be a pro trader one day if you let me. Yeah. You got it. So he said, I'm not there yet. I said, like, I'm doing kind of a hobby now. Okay. So that's DFBG. I don't like to look at that because it's very similar in price to XBIO, and I just thought XBIO dropped down to 510, and that wouldn't have been good. So it's at 578. UXN moving, beating down IPO. Cool. As long as it's through Hines, go for it, Blair. Otherwise, it's an insignificant symbol to me. UXIN is at 760, down 20 cents in a no-buy zone. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. It's 765. I'll mark it for you. Enjoy. Have fun. You know what's in front of that stock, by the way? I put that up. UXEN. Let me just show you. This right here. Let me just show you what it's called. This IPO right here with this, and this is called angina. Look it up. Look at that. That's what that's called. Angina. See? That bar, that bar, that bar, that bar. It's called angina. You can't beat that. That's angina. Let's talk to Joey. Hi, Joey. How you doing, bud? Coming into the Mojo pit. Don't come in the ring. You can get punched in the face. Put your hands up, kid. Put your dukes up, brother. Joey. Joey. Joe. Dude, you're in good company right now, bro. I think we got zombie action with Joey. I think Joey's looks good. Joey's not too cute no more. Joey. It's BRKB is the symbol, but I gotta nail Joey. Joey's gone. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Looking for I had this one where did that go? I had a link for one of my favorites. It's not, no. It's not, I'm on a vacation because I love my occupation. That's not it. It's not it. What's his name knows it. So let's check out his BR. What was it? What's up with Abel? I don't know. It's bad in Abel. I think it's BRKB. Let's see. That one's down. You nix them. BRKB. No, that's no such symbol. No such symbol. There you go. Oh yeah. Gerard, are you liking that? I'd be careful, dude. It's not got much to go. How much? A couple pennies? Look at that. Look at that chart, dude. Think can go la la land. Something happens with the market right now. Jungle. It would be a bit expensive for me right now. I don't know. You made how much today? 517. Or is that fake? That fake. Demo money? Or real? 517. Real money? Do you know how much Mojo U is? Yeah, 3 times. How about that? You give me half the profits of what you just did there, 500. Okay? You keep the other half and you do it 3 times. You got the cost of Mojo you paid for. I don't care how long it takes you to do that. Are you kidding me? Who else is going to do that for you? You would have made 1,500 today instead of 500. No, you probably would have made 800. You made 500. Gerardo's expecting this to happen with AMD right now. After all this baseline, it's going to start to pop up. Look at this one at 13. Pretty crazy. VLRX, I picked it earlier. Still rocking 175. So that's the deal on the table, dude. That's the deal. Take 3 months to do it. I don't care. But learn now, yeah. Done. 250 now. It's 997 divided by 3 for you. It's $332 times 3. Or not 250 times 4, whatever you want to do. Doesn't make a difference. 4 months, I don't give a shit. You'll be with me for 4 years, dude. Kidding me? As long as you pay $99 a month, I don't give a shit. So I'd start watching them right now. Absolutely, dude. Go and watch all the Mojo U's this weekend. You're gonna open up your eyes, say, holy shit, I can't believe it. I can't, everything Mike talks about in the room and everything he says, I can't believe I've got a head start and I can, oh my gosh, you're going to be like getting 95 aha moments like you ain't going to believe. So we can do that, 4 payments, $250 each, done. I got no problem with that. He'll be with me forever. As long as you don't ask for a refund. Hate that. That's right. Lay you into the course, but no one does that who's real like you. Only fakes do that with bad intentions from the beginning. Breaking out the big champagne. Whoopie in the gravy train. Making a button for you. Special. Greater Jungle button. Then you got to go register right now for Mojo U on the dashboard. Right here on Teachable. You got to go register and enroll, and I'll give you all the courses right now. Go do that while I'm getting you the link. Yeah, if you don't have 5 aha moments of class, you let me know. Just leave good comments in the section below. When you go through the courses, leave the comments in the section. I'll show you where it is. Mojo University online course, 4 payments, $250. Once a month for 4 months. Done. All right, anybody else want that deal, just let me know. There's the link for him. So click that link I just gave you right there, and this page will open up right here. And then you can, Mojo University, 4 payments of $250 each. It'll say Mojo Day Trading right there. Boom, boom, boom. With PayPal. That's it right there. And then you come right here to Mojo University, and you enroll. Click enroll. As soon as I see your enrollment, I'll load you up with the courses. Let's check out the courses. Day Trading School. Preview. See if there's any comments down there. No, it's not. I'm looking at the wrong school. I'm looking at the university. See the comments. But I want you to leave some comments after you're done with each of the courses. Online day trading course. Class 1. Preview. Completed my review of Class 1. I pick up new pointers every time that I review in these videos, especially valuable after listening to the class for the past month. It's a good one. Those aren't the ones I'm looking for, though. I have a comments page. Let's check it out. Let's look at some of the comments, shall we? 111 comments. Let's just look at some of them, if you don't mind. Oh, look who stopped by, Alan. 2 days ago. Keeps on getting better. Well, that would probably be 9 times taking Mojo University. Always refreshing to repeat it, even for a 5-year veteran like myself. Also, love the 1-hour format. Mark, 3 days ago. Great content. We'll continue to watch again and again. Trader Patsy. Completed review of Class 1. I pick up new pointers every time that I review these videos, especially valuable after listening to the class and trading for the past month. I'll post my computer, hit my goal, done for the day, and shut it down. Patsy, send me an email. I'll send you one of the mouse pads right here. Look. No pre-market and hit your goal for the day. You shut it down. Pro Trader Bootcamp. Patsy, send me an email and I'll shoot you the mouse pad. Any of my other seasoned pro traders that you do not have one of these mouse pads, you message me in YouTube or in the room, you remind me of what I just said, and I'll send you one to your address. So, Mark, 21 days ago. I'm going to memorize my 90, 95, 97, sell 04, 09, touches 11, 19, 24, 29, 39, 44. Scale out, love the example, the institutional pool example, makes sense. Great stuff. Only the MOJ can teach it so well. Never thought the level 2 is crucial to be successful. Awesome class showing the power of the hinds. I've been going back to my paper trades this last week, reviewing every dollar I made. Awesome class. So informative. Took notes and will watch again. I agree with Patsy's comment. You make it look easy. Awesome class. Thanks for the lesson. Finish the lesson. Great class. Awesome class. Great class. Magic class. Great informative class. I love the examples. Love the level 3. Great class. Awesome PPT. Awesome. That's only 1 page. I haven't looked at really a lot of these. Look, Ramey. I'm jealous I can't live the cycle of Mojo U as your introduction informative. Yes. Liam, great class. Jared, awesome. John Claude, romantic candles. Poker and cheating strategies. The ladder, Elise, Miguel, Jean-Claude, Michael LeBlanc, Ken King, Patsy, 5 months ago. This is just class 1. 111 comments. Scott Smith, Lewis, Trader Cobb, Gorin, Miguel. And this is only class 1, folks. So that's awesome. Become the next pro trader. Enroll in MOJO University, the ultimate day trading education for stocks and cryptocurrency. And it's right on my website, mojodaytrading.com. So there's no excuse that you wouldn't be able to find that. It's right there at the top tab. It says courses. Just click on that right here. You'll be taken to this page right here. Watch my video. Tells you how I got started in day trading, what was all about, how I needed a mentor. And my most special thing is to tap me like I do everybody else. Let's go. We're done. You're leaving. Done for the day. I need that as well. I do the coach needs coaching as well and mentoring also. And I got my people in place for that. And there's Alan right there. Listen to his videos. Listen to these traders. This is Lobster.
Hey guys, Pro Trader Lobster here. Just want to talk to you quickly.
That's Pro Trader Lobster. This is Jordy.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Pro Trader Jordy.
Listen to Jordy. Listen to Alan. First video he made for me.
Hello there. This is Pro Trader Alan.
5 years ago. Here's the newer one he made for me 2 years ago.
Good afternoon and welcome to MOJO Day.
Listen to that and click next on the bottom. Then you got Gerardo. Listen to, he's from Miami. Listen to him
Pro Trader Gerard.
and his story. He's right there on YouTube telling you that's him, Bruce Wayne boy. Then you got Pro Trader Ant from Norway. All these guys have made millions of dollars in my room. Then you got this guy right here, Pro Trader Vitali.
Hi everyone, Pro Trader Vitali is here, and today I'm doing my Sunday morning routine. So I'm excited.
And then listen to right here, Pro Trader Randy.
A great big South Carolina Gamecocks greeting to everyone out in the MOJO world.
Okay, listen to Randy. Listen to Pro Trader Ryan.
Hello everybody, it's Pro Trader Ryan.
Listen to Carlos from Venezuela.
Hi there guys, how are you? My name is Pro Trader Carlos.
Listen to Brandon. Okay, guys? These guys will tell you right there the way it is. Okay, I have right here testimonials from 150 other students. Right here. Writing me stories and letters of how I've changed their life with the profit system. And you can do the same. These are the polls from the MOJO Day Trade Room, showing 4 years of trading results that rarely traders lose. We make money, but the thing is not to lose. And that's what you should be checking out on the MOJO Day Trading website, guys. All that information to verify for yourself that you can do it as well. You got it, Mr. Jungle. You have a good weekend. Peace. I don't consider myself a seasoned pro, but I would love to get a mouse pad. Done. Come by and play some golf. I'll give you one. When are you coming over? Sunday morning for golf, and I'll give you a hat and a freaking mouse pad. Play some golf. Well, he lives in Miami. Down there, he'll come up for sure. Check out the warehouse, play some golf, get some good lunch, then we'll go home with a great day. He's a good golfer too. He's got some new shoes, real nice ones. I think he's got those Skechers, them new ones like that. I just saw what's his name made on the on the TV. Let's see what we got here for a close. AMD hanging out at 29, went to 39 for you. I'd be out of that. XBIO is just chilling right here. Let me look at the daily. It's got to hold very much right into the top of this thing for a Marabuzu. So we'll see. Like I said, it was a long time to go. Still another hour and a half. In the meantime, let's just check out a couple of cryptos, and then I'm done for the day. Close it all down. Go to Cryptopia. Check out Bitcoin 6,600, right at 65.99. I guarantee it's going to go through 6,600. Everyone in the world can do this trade right now. It's 65.83. It's going to go through 6,600. See this? And it's going to go bam, right through 6,700. See it? And then you'll say, Mike gave me that. That's correct. Guy today predicted it's going to 25,000 by the end of the year. Did you see that? If his name was a number, I'd know it, but I don't know his name. It's something Lee, like Mark Lee. This come out right? IBM signs a $740 million deal with the Australian government to use blockchain data security. You mean to tell me IBM just threw away $740 million because the blockchain's crap and non-existent and a bubble and it's a story? Kidding me? They did their due diligence before spending that money. What about this? The main Swiss stock exchange launching a distributed ledger digital-based exchange, a la a blockchain. How about decentralized cloud platform launches mainnet to challenge the big four market leaders? Yep, how about that? How about world's largest crypto exchange expects profits of up to $1 billion? Better ask somebody, folks, where it's going in the next couple of years. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Wall Street's Tom Lee says Bitcoin's going to hit 22,000 by the year end and can reach 25K. Well, my friend, that's pretty freaking bold. It better make a damn big run, and that's at 7,000. That's a 300% gain from now until the end of the year that you can make on your money. Dude, I think it's going to 12,000 by the end of the year. And then starting 2019 will be the year of crypto. The guy better clean his glasses a little bit, because there's no way. 12,000, I'd take 100% gain from right here. 6,600 times 2, folks. Pro Trader Mike going to 13,200 in 1 year. You'll 100% on your money in a pretty safe, solid scenario that I wouldn't mind owning down here, hodling for a year. Did you know HODL stands for hold, HOLD, your Bitcoin? Someone made a mistake in the spelling and it caught on. That's what that means, HODL, if you didn't know. Okay? And that's it, guys. So listen, everybody else have a great weekend. Thanks for watching the Mojo Show. You got a lot to do. Go to MOJO Day Trading right here and go sign up for my free school. You can watch level 1 completely. And then I'm going to watch this weekend. You'll see classes start to roll in to your dashboard as I update them. So download the course right here. Enroll in the course. It's free. Completely free. It's normally $9.98. Start watching it, taking the quizzes, and we'll be in touch. Everyone have a great weekend, and see you later.